Ever wondered if you could create viral TikTok fitness videos without showing your face, speaking, or even writing a script? Thanks to AI, it's now possible. Imagine generating 10 high-quality fitness videos daily with a single tool. It's a game changer, especially in the lucrative fitness niche. Let's dive in and discover how to create these attention-grabbing videos. First step, market research. Finding trending topics is key to viral success. Google Gemini will help us with this. We'll ask Gemini to come up with 15 viral video ideas specifically for the fitness world. But not just any ideas, we want the ones with the best shot at going big on TikTok, the kind that really grab people's attention. Let's go with this travel fitness tips. I gotta say, this topic is a winner. Think about it. Loads of people travel and want to stay in shape. If we create a top-notch video on this, we're talking about the potential for millions of views. That's the kind of viral stuff dreams are made of. Okay, so normally making a high-quality video takes a lot of work. You need to write a script, record video, do a voiceover pick, music, find visuals, and then edit everything together. Sounds like a lot, right? But here's the cool part with an AI tool called Wondershare Virbo. Check the links in the description to download it and access it on your PC. Once downloaded and installed, launch Wondershare Virbo. You will see AI script on the dashboard. Click on it. Next, type the topic you choose. For this video, we are going to travel fitness tips. Then type engaging tips. Now type all, and Virbo will generate a script. We can shorten, expand, and change its approach from professional or engaging. Or we can rewrite the whole script. For this, I will expand it. Next, hit on Create Video and Portrait. Now, we will select an avatar for the video. Click on Avatars. Virbo offers over 300 AI avatars, but I'll select the fixed background avatars because I think these avatars are even more realistic. Then, we will choose a voiceover that fits our video type. Just scroll to Virbo's 460 plus natural voices and select what you prefer. I will select this one. Now, it's time to upload your fitness-related assets. Click on Import and add all your needed clips. Next, we will start the editing. First, copy the script into a notepad. Now, we can focus on to the first scene. Here, we can edit the subtitles. Click on the subtitle, and you'll get the controls on the right side. Now, you can edit everything in the subtitles. First, you'll find many preset styles. I'll apply this one. Then, if you want to change the background color of the subtitles, you can do that from here. Just choose the color. Okay, you can change the text color. Make the text bold and italicize it. Align the subtitles in the center. Change the font style and much more. There are various customization options available to ensure your subtitles look exactly the way you want. For the first or opening scene, we will just put the first sentence or line of the script and we are done. For the second scene, click the plus icon under the first scene. Next, select a template we are going to use. I am going for this one, and put the next sentence or line of the script. Then we are going to put the images according to the script. Additionally, on the left side, you have stickers and emojis to make the video more engaging. Now, we are done on the second scene. Just repeat the process until we reach the outro. For the outro, we will select the same template we use on the first scene, or you can just simply duplicate the first scene and put the outro script to that scene. To complete our video, we need background music. You can easily add background music from a wide selection available. I'll use this one. So I'll click on Use, and the music is applied. Don't forget to lower the volume. I'll set it to 15. After completing all these steps, you can export your video from here. In just a few seconds, our AI fitness video will be ready. Now, you can download the video from here. Let's watch the result.
Embark on a journey to wellness with our ultimate fitness travel tips. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, our expert recommendations will elevate your travel experience. Instead of sticking to indoor exercises, why not try exploring outdoor activities? Sweat it out with a refreshing morning jog by the beach, or challenge yourself with a hike in the scenic mountains. You'll not only enjoy the breathtaking views, but also burn some calories while having fun. Now let's move on to healthy eating suggestions. While traveling, it's important to fuel your body with nutritious meals. Instead of indulging in fast food, Opt for local produce and traditional dishes. Immerse yourself in the cultural flavors and discover new tastes while staying healthy. Don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Discover how to stay active and maintain your well-being while exploring new destinations. Start your adventure today and embrace a healthier lifestyle with our engaging tips.
There you have it. With Wondershare Virbo, you've just witnessed the power of AI in content creation. Imagine turning your fitness knowledge into viral TikTok videos without ever stepping in front of a camera or lifting a weight. It's a game changer, and Virbo makes it a reality. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see the magic happen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want to share your results, drop a comment below. Want to learn more about how to create viral TikTok videos? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll dive deeper into specific strategies and tips. See you there.